You have seen the celeb transformations, but have you ever wondered how they got there? We're breaking down the secrets behind Sahara's and Sweetie's lip combo secrets. Let's get into it. Okay, beauties, we're going to start off with Miss Sahara lip combo look. So if you don't have the brand, no worries. You can use beauty supply store brands. They're actually good. And that's what I'm going to prefer. So right now I have this brand. It's called Lulu Beauty. And I use my eye pencils for my lip combo. It goes on smoothly. And it's like $1.99. So I'm going to use in the color dark brown. So I'm going to outline my lips with this one, you guys. So take your time outlining. You're going to follow the lines around your lips. You're going to come down here. And you're going to make this little oval, like this shape here at the top. And you're going to come back down. That's it. Now it's kind of, she's wearing like a soft nude lip. So I'm going to use my True Matte by NK, which you can also find at your local beauty supply store. And I have it in a Turkish rose. And this is number 10. And it's like $2.99. So I'm just going to use a little bit of that. And that's it, guys. You don't have to use too much. I'm going to use my Broadway Ultra Lip Mint Oil, which is like $1.50 now. Here things to be $1, but hey. So you can use any type of lip gloss. I'm just going to do it like this. Make sure. So this is the look for Miss Sahara, and that was it, you guys. Really, that's all I used in the video for her. Just a dark brown pencil, a pink mauve looking lip gloss. I mean, well, it is a lip gloss. Sorry, hair. And I just used a regular lip gloss to achieve her look. She always have the best like lip combo. Like I always look, I said her lips always look pretty. Her skin is beautiful too. So I'm like, you know, I'm gonna recreate this. So I did. So this is how I achieved it. And you can too. I would say under $5, at least probably $10. So this is the look for Sahara. Let's get into our next one. Okay, beauties. Now I know I don't have all MAC products, but I have something to recreate Sweetie lip combo lip. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you guys what I do have to recreate her lip combo. So what I have Nicka K. I have their lip pencil. This is called Cocoa, and this is in the number 171. And this only costs $1 that you can find at your local beauty supply store. And next, I have some lip glosses that are affordable. So I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss Bling. This one is called, I think this was called Make Money or something like that. But this is the orange, and this is number 03. And then I have the pink. This is 02. So I'm going to combine these two because in her video she have like these. It's like a new pinkish orange color. So we're going to recreate that look. So I'm going to show you. Start with my lip pencil by Nicka K. Come down. Fill in. So you just follow the lines of your lips. You're going to come down. I always want to call it like an M right here. Like you know, do M like a McDonald's shape right there. Okay, so we got that one done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the pink towards the bottom. And this is NYX, or people call it NYX. This is the Spring Bling lip gloss, and they cost like $6.99. And they're really good. And this is the orange. So this is Sweetie's lip combo. Now if you want it to glitter, it have a shine to it, glitter glitzer. But I want to make it more a glossy look. I'm going to just put some lip gloss on top. And bam. And this is how you create Sweetie lip combo look. If you don't have the MAC, baby, you can go to the beauty supply store and recreate it, and it'll be the same way. Flawless. So Sahara versus Sweetie, whose lip combo really slayed today? And let me know your favorite look in the comments, whether you love a bold liner, glossy finish, or that perfect nude blend. The key is knowing what works for your vibe. Take the inspiration, experiment with shades, and find combos that match your mood or occasion. Lip combos are all about creativity, confidence. So own it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more celeb-inspired lip combos and beauty breakdowns. See you guys in the next one. Ciao.